Navigating funding search results. This video explains how to navigate PivotRP's funding results page. When you conduct a funding search in PivotRP, either from the basic search box or from the advanced search page, funding opportunities that match your search will appear on the funding results page. The top section of the page shows the search you conducted, including all the search parameters and any filters that are currently being applied to the list, which we will discuss in a minute. Underneath that, there is a link to start a new advanced search. You can save your search and use it later, or you can refine your search. Down the left side of the funding results page are the filters you can use to narrow your search even more, including recently added, funding types, country of funder, type of funder, and so on. Some filters may have been set as default by your institution, such as applicant institution location, which limits the results to funding opportunities relevant to your location. You can remove this filter like any other by clicking the X. You may also remove these institutional filters for all your searches by managing your preferences. Funding opportunities are sorted by relevance, which means the opportunities at the top are those that PivotRP's automated algorithms have determined match your search parameters most closely. You can choose to sort by other options such as title, funder name, and so on. You can alternatively choose Calendar View, which displays the opportunities by showing their deadlines on a calendar. On each opportunity, you can click the small magnifying glass to see the abstract for that opportunity, as well as any eligibility information. If you want to read the entire opportunity, click the title. We'll discuss that in a few minutes. If you see Limited or ICR before the title, you should check with your institution's research office. Limited means the funder requests to limit the number of proposals from a single institution. ICR means internal coordination is required. If you see the word internal, this is an opportunity only available to your institution. Below the title is the funder of the opportunity. The deadline is next, and you can click it to see more details. For example, if an application is due in stages. Finally, the amount of funding is listed. Again, you can click it for more details, or if there is no amount listed, click See Record to see information about the funding amount on the opportunity's full details page. You can always access the full details page by clicking on an opportunity's title. There, you'll see all the information about the opportunity available in the PivotRP system. From here, you can access the official webpage of the opportunity on the funder's site. If you click the name of the funder, you can see all the opportunities in PivotRP from that funder. The keywords that appear here were added by PivotRP editorial staff to this opportunity. Click 1 to search for all opportunities that contain that keyword. The Upcoming Deadlines section contains deadlines from the funder, but may also contain deadlines created by your institution's research office. For example, if the office will need to coordinate applications from several researchers. Your institution's research office may also add some notes to the opportunity. Back at the top, on the right side of the page, are some more actions to take. You can add this opportunity to your tracked list. You can also share this opportunity with other researchers or groups. You can add tags to this opportunity, and when you look at your tracked list, you will be able to filter by these tags. PivotRP's algorithms may be able to find more opportunities like this one, which you may not have found through your own searching. To view those opportunities, click See More Ops like this. You also have the option to send feedback to the PivotRP team about this opportunity. PivotRP matches funding opportunities to researcher profiles to help you find potential collaborators at your institution and beyond. Under Potential Collaborators, click the number to see other researchers who may be interested in this opportunity. Use the filters on the left side to narrow the results if you want to, and then click a name to read a researcher's profile. You can then share the opportunity with them through PivotRP and/or contact them directly. Back on the funding results page, when you select several opportunities, you can take actions on all of them, such as adding to your tracked list, sharing with others, or exporting from Pivot to your computer in a file with one of several format choices. You can also see the deadlines for the selected opportunities in Calendar View. If you decide that a funding opportunity is not relevant for you and you would like to hide it from future searches, you can choose to dismiss it. You can dismiss an opportunity from its full details page, or dismiss several at a time from a list of ops. These dismissed opportunities will be hidden from your future searches and from your advisor recommendations. A personal filter on the left shows how many dismissed opportunities are hidden from this search. Dismissed opportunities will be visible when viewing a curated list or when someone else directly shares the opportunity with you. You can see opportunities that you have dismissed by opening My Preferences and clicking Dismissed Opportunities. You can add dismissed opportunities back in at any time. And that's how you can navigate around PivotRP's funding results page.